Welcome to my weekly drum diary. Today I'll be talking about drum solo playing. To me, playing drum solos are really important to be good at. And it's really not that often you, as a drummer yourself, sit down, practice playing drum solos. But an excellent exercise for this is make different dogmas for yourself. Put up kind of rules that, okay, I'm going to do certain things a certain way. From now on, I'm going to show you using dry sounds on the drum set. Dry sounds, no time. I'm going to do a little thing now where I use dry sounds, no time. So you can see this way, there's no time, but I'm kind of listening to a sound that's coming out of the drum and then kind of develop my little small figures around it. So I do create some kind of a theme that I return to, that I develop. So one thing is really important here is to keep cool and enjoy the sound you're getting out of the drums, and do not stress yourself getting into, okay, I got to use the whole drum set, I got to do all kinds of things. Relax, develop your stuff very, very slowly, and enjoy it. Please make comments and ask questions, and I will get back to you. Thank you.